Hi friends, today in this video we are going to create this awesome looking CSS accordion using HTML and CSS. So let's get started. I have created a project in Visual Studio Code. I have created two files, index.html and styles.css, and I have linked it also using the link tag. Here I have added a Google font named Sign Mono. You can get this link from Google's fonts website. Just copy that link and add it in your project head section. Here I have added a div with a class name accordion container. Inside that accordion container, I have added a h1 tag with the class name heading and a text of know about me. You can add whatever you need. Adding a div here with a class name of accordion. Inside that div, I am adding a tag details. Inside this details only, we are going to add the summary and the p tag. This summary is going to contain the question and the p tag is going to contain the answer for that question. So we are wrapping the summary and p tag in details, and we are going to add 3 more details section so that we have 4 questions with 4 answers. So by this our HTML part is over. Now let us style the CSS part. So in our CSS file, first we are going to add the global CSS, that is margin equal to 0, padding is equal to 0 and box sizing as border box. Next we will add styles for accordion container. I will give the value of display as flex, next flex direction as column, and justify content center and align atom center so that it will be aligned to the middle of the page. Next we will give height for the whole container as 100 vh, and I will assign the global color as white so that if we change the background, the text will be visible for us. I will give the font family as Sign Mono. Next we will style for heading. Inside heading we will add the color as white. You will have the doubt why again we are adding the same white color, because in our global styling we will remove the color white finally. Next we will have the margin bottom as 20 px so that there will be a gap between the heading and the content. Again, next we had the font size as 2.5 em. Next letter spacing as 5 px. Next we will style for accordion. Here I am giving the value for the min width as 500 px so that it will not go beyond that. Let's define the width as calculating 100% minus 20 px so that it will have 20 px gap from left and right margin. Now we will remove the color white from the global styling so our text becomes dark. To add color to our text, now we will style details tag. Give the background color as white. Let's add some margin bottom as 10 px so that every question will be separated. Now add some filter drop shadow 5 px in x and y direction and 0 px blur. When we hover this details, now we add some drop shadow. Here we had blur attributes. Previously we have 0 px as blur. Now here we have 4 px as blur. So if you hover, you will see a small change. Now we add styles to summary. Give the color as somewhat dark. Now adding some padding. Top and bottom 5 px, left and right 10 px. Now change the font size to 1.3 em. Cursor as pointer. Finally we add styles to our p tag. Just adding some padding so that it looks nice, and add some color to it. That's it for the video friends. The source code for this project is given in the video description. Do check it out. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get future updates. Thank you for watching.